Assalamualaikum and good morning to our lecturer Dr. Aslizan for the subject Integrated Logistic Management ALS 4103. Today we will present our project assignment. We choose automated forklift for our project assignment. We have 4 member groups, which are, for the first person, Ahmad Zuhair bin Ahmad Azizi, metric number A18A0028. For the second, me, Muhammad Jalal Izzuddin bin Muhammad Zaid, metric number A18A0368. For the third person is Alif Fahmi bin Azami, metric number A18A0045. And the last group member are Nik Ikram Haika bin Nik Adira, metric number A1269. For our presentation, we will present 6 content which are presented by 4 members. The first one, abstract. Second, motivation and background. Third, problem statement. Fourth, model. Fifth, discussion. And the last, expected contribution. Okay, we will start to present for this project assignment. I, Muhammad Jalal Izzuddin bin Muhammad Zaid, metric number A18A0368. Okay, we start our presentation. For the first content, I will start with abstract. Okay, logistics is generally determined by operational requests. Those advancements are for the most part dependent on direct client demands. Nonetheless, logistics specialists co-op have begun to understand the significance of proactive innovation and advanced technology to improve competitiveness. The advancement of new assistant ideas empower to expand consumer loyalty and fortify their seriousness. To achieve different goals among different participants of ongoing complexities of logistic networks constitute the challenge facing the construction of new paradigm of 21st century. The main initiative on supply chain management today have to consider widely spread model and concept used in the solution of contemporary logistic problem. Logistic system as technical system can be identified by its original matrix of contradictions associated by similarities to inventive principle, model and related technologies. Solution on this field can be rearranged in agreement for fundamental logistic variable as time, information and resource, because of the way that administrations spread specific characteristics. Their improvement contrasts from conventional item advancement and requires adjusted development and advanced innovating the executive forms. The creative of administration typically requires the cooperation of client. Okay, I will pass for the next presentation for the next presenter.
Okay, Assalamualaikum Doctor. My name is Nik Ikram Haikal bin Nik Adira and my matric ID is A18A1269. Okay, so now I will present a little bit about the background and the problem statement. Okay, as for our group, we have agreed to make a prototype of automated forklift that will be used in the logistic industries. Basically, automated forklift is a conventional lift truck that was being used in warehouse or any distribution center. It is used for moving the large volume of material in a repetitive manner. We are concerned about this innovation because it surely will deliver a huge benefit to the companies that owns it. Nowadays, there are many big companies that use automated forklift in their operation. The only reason why this innovation is not being used widely in the industries because the cost to buy the new automated forklift is quite high. Okay, so now I will move to the next part, which is the problem statement. For this innovation, which is the automated forklift, the problem that we want to cover is the overuse of the labor in the workplace. Based on our research, based on our observation, we have found that there are many injuries that happen to the worker in managing the materials. Okay, when a lot of injuries happen, the company's operation will be disturbed. Also, when this happen, a company need to pay an extra cost to hire the new labor. Also, they need to pay the extra cost for the treatment of the injured worker. Okay, as the solution, we have agreed that the use of this innovation, which is the automated forklift, in the logistic company, surely can overcome this problem. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, I will continue the presentation with my part, and it is model. My name is Alif Fahmi bin Azami. My metric number is A18A0045. The main target for the automatic forklift is to increase efficiency inside warehouse. A warehouse can operate up to 24 hours a day, and it is a very convenient to them, as they can increase their productivity of their product. The forklift have a automatic and manual function where we can use it automatically, and we can even control it manually. It can decrease risk of even where the product can damage, as it's installed with navigation and detection system. It can decrease the risk of incident, as we can program the function according our needs. It can save extra cost of hiring labor, but with a better efficiency to handle the product or goods. Okay, that's all from me, and we will continue the presentation with the next presenter. Thank you.
Okay, I will continue for the next presentation for the part discussion. Discussion play a purpose as a method to describe the findings of our research about problems that we investigate, and a way of explaining about newly understanding of fresh information, then take the findings into consideration. In this discussion, we discuss for the three point about the automated forklift, because when we use this machine, we get more advantages and benefit. For the first one, material handling. Material handling are very important for the logistic activities. Okay, when we use this automated forklift, our productivity and production will increase because we use this machine can help the progress fast, and we can reduce our manpower use. On this globalization world, technology are very useful, especially for the logistic activities, because every day our customer buying from the online shopping always increase from month to month, from year to years. So using this machine can help our logistic activities, especially for material handling. Plus, it is more convenient on relying on machine, as it could do more tasks in a day than labor, because automated forklift can use for 24 hours, and labor can work for only 12 hours. So it's more convenient for the logistic activities. For the second, the safety of the product can be secure, because the movement of the automated forklift is have been set, so we can set it not too fast, not too slow, but it suitable for the goods what the machine brings. Beside that, this can reduce our labor risk, because we don't know any time which time we have a incident or what, so we can reduce our incident, and this will give advantage. Automated forklift can be considered high, as not all warehouse it's using them, and in Malaysia it's a new thing. So because we use conventional ways to handle goods and production in distribution, in large number of shipment, made it useful to handle the movement of the product inside warehouse. And the last one, upgrading existing technology. In upgrading existing technology, we need to improve that, because in this current situation, especially we have in CMCO pandemic COVID-19, so not just me, but for all company want to use our technology, because they didn't have more workers because of effect of the pandemic. So using this machine can increase their company efficiency and effectiveness to this with the product. So this will increase our productivity and increase their profit. So upgrading existing technology will help our will help the company by using this automated forklift to handle their logistic activities effectively. Thank you for me, and I will pass for the next presenter. Thank you.
Okay, Assalamualaikum. My name is Ahmad Zuhair bin Ahmad Azizi, and my matrix number is A18A0028. Okay, for the last one, I will explain about the expected contribution. Okay, our company expect that the automated forklift will reduce the uses of the manpower in the company. This is because the automated forklift had been set with advanced computer system which called as the artificial intellectual. This artificial intellectual system that had been set in the automated forklift was very advanced technology, because the automated forklift can doing a work without a control of any person. Okay, lastly, we expect that the automated forklift can make a significant growth to its excellent productivity in the global automated forklift markets. This because in this modern era, the logistic company should have this automated forklift in their warehouse, because this automated forklift have many benefits that can revolutionize their warehouse systems. That's all from me. Thank you.